Now, how many of you want to get some money fast? This method is perfect for fast money and you only have to invest a bit of your time. Hit that subscribe button for more and let's get started. Guys, a lot of money is in this method, and if you follow me closely and do everything that I do in this video, you're gonna get a lot of cash. Cash is the only option that we accept. This channel is gonna get you knowledgeable about all of these certain offers which are available to anyone out there, anyone who has some time to invest. You don't have to spend any money for this. You don't have to invest anything else other than your own free time. And that's the greatest part. If you go on a website such as this one, this is offervault.com, you will find here a lot of offers which need to be promoted. And for that, you will get a commission. So for example, if you go and promote this hair Lavia, hair regrowth for women, you will get $80 just for someone coming and buying a certain product. But there are offers which involve non-buying at all, so people don't have to buy anything and you will still get that conversion. Now, that works in a simple way. There is something which is called sweepstakes, and if you go and search here in this search bar for sweepstakes, you will find a lot of these offers which are gonna get you paid. So for example, there is this iPhone 13. People will just go and they have to enter in their email address and you're gonna get $3 for that. Now that might not sound like enough, not too much money, but guys, they don't have to buy anything. It's so simple. Conversion rate is so high because people don't have to go and buy anything. You will just have their email and that's it. And look at this one. People can get Samsung Smart TV if they enter their credit card submit and you will get $24. Now this is a bit harder. They have to enter in their credit card information. But that's why these guys will give you $24 instead of $3. So in the end, it all comes down to a certain profit. It is profitable. So whatever you choose, you have the option to make this your money-making machine, guys. There is a lot of money on this website. And let me just show you, for example, what this means. If you click on this Samsung Smart TV offer, you will find all the information needed here. So people have to enter their credit card information and you're gonna get these $24 for yourself. Pretty simple, guys. You will just go and make yourself an account on this OfferVault website and you will click on this Run Offer button. So now all you have to do is to click on this register button over here and just complete this simple information about yourself, such as your first name, your last name, your email, your password. Confirm that password and select your country of residence. And as you can see, you can live everywhere on the planet because all of these countries are supported. You can live on Cuba for that matter and you're gonna get accepted here. So it doesn't matter where you live, you can get yourself involved in this, and that's what's cool. Click on submit and you are ready. So now once you are inside, you will just type it again, the sweepstakes, and it's gonna get you to this Samsung TV which we have talked about earlier. Now you will just have to go and run this offer. It's gonna open this page where you have to enter some simple information on this company. There is certain companies for each of those offers and it's gonna differ for all of these. So if you go on this iPhone and when you click again on that Run Offer button, you will see that now it's gonna redirect you to another affiliate offer marketing place, another CPA offer, and that's what I was telling you about. All of these are different, so it's no point of me showing you the exact steps for this one because it's all gonna differ whichever one of these you choose, but the main principle is the same. You're gonna get the offer whichever one you decide to choose, and then you can go on a website such as Spread Simple and make yourself a spreadsheet, or you can make yourself a landing page on another website. One such website is Breezy.io, and you can just get it done quickly by clicking on this button, Get Started Now. It's free. You can just make yourself a landing page like it shows in this video over here. You can edit everything. You can add your own pictures, you can add your own text, you can edit these buttons, and in one of these buttons you will put that link to your offer. And then people will just, for example, click on this button and they will decide to run your offer. And that's your conversion, guys. That's a lot of money for your conversion leads. You will get a lot of leads here, and in turn, you will get a lot of money. A lot of profits are in here, guys. Trust me. One more thing which is really, really good is if you go on a Facebook page and you go and type in sweepstakes in the search bar, you will just go and scroll down and click on groups. And that's gonna open all of these groups which are available for your traffic source. So this can be your amazing traffic source, guys. Facebook is filled with traffic, and you can see that all these members in these groups are sharing those sweepstakes. Sweepstakes are a thing, really. They are really popular. And you can enter in as many of these groups as you can because that's where people hang out. They are just waiting for those offers. They are waiting for those giveaways, those sweepstakes, and that's your traffic maker. And in turn, a lot of conversions are gonna happen. And then you can go and do all of these, guys. You only have to invest a bit of your time into making these and then sharing them on those traffic sources. Just look at how many of these pages you have. So let's actually click on the fourth one. You will see that there are a lot of these. There are offers for everyone here. There are CC submits, but there are some pay-per-call offers as well. There are some mobile offers. You can type even gift cards here, and that's gonna select only those gift cards, those giveaways, which are really easy to convert. So for example, here people will only need to enter in their email address, and that's how you're gonna get a conversion. It's really easy, guys. There is a lot of offers here, so that's a good thing. You can see that, for example, you can get this Westfield $500 gift card, and that's gonna be so easy to convert, guys. That's gonna be easy to convert because people won't have to buy anything. They won't have to enter in their credit card information, and that's more conversions for you. This works in a way that people will just come and you will have this question: do you shop online? They will click yes or no, and they will just enter in their email address, and then you're gonna get paid for it. $3 for each one of those. A lot of money is in hideout here, so I highly suggest that you try it out. You can see there are some Apple gift cards, there are some Shell gift cards, and I suggest that you take a lot of these because people have different interests, people have different likings, and they tend to like certain things. So by you diversifying your offers, you have greater possibility, greater chance for you to gather a lot of profits for yourself. That's how easy it is, and that's how it works. You don't have to do nothing hard. You will just make a few clicks of your button. You will find the best traffic source, and you will use all the traffic which is on Facebook as well, because this is a great source of traffic, and there are a lot of old people on Facebook now because they can get you a lot more conversion rates. This is really good and smart strategy. Go out there, guys, take some action, and I'll catch you later.